Hello, welcome to my channel. This is my 2013 French door Samsung refrigerator. So it's been 13 years now. So once in a while, certain stuff gonna break, so you need to replace it. So the model for this one is right there, RF261BEAEBC /AA. So that's the model number, 2013. So today the freezer handle right here is somehow, when you see I tried to open it, it came apart. So today I'm gonna show you how to replace a broken part for this Samsung freezer handle right here. So basically what you need is just an Allen wrench and a screwdriver, and there are two screws. So this is the part that's broken right here. You can buy a pair of them, one on this side, okay, one on this side. You can order them from Amazon for a pair. This is called a freezer handle replacement kit. So they give you this and a cap right here. I think it's come along with the cap right here, or you can use your old cap. And it's so simple. Need to do is just insert it in here, okay, right there. Just put it in. Yeah, everything's made out of plastic right here, so you pull it hard, this part right here is gonna break. So put it in, and then there's a screw right here in there. So once in a while you need to replace this, because if you have a lot of kids in the house and they pull too hard, it's not gonna last very long. So this is I think I replaced this part is 2 times already. So everything's made out of plastic here, so they don't last. Okay, tighten this up, and then put the cap in. So it's been 13 years now, this refrigerator. I start to show sign of breaking down. And then there's another screw right here. There's the screw with no head right here. This kind of screw. This one right here. And then you insert into this right here. There's a little hole right here. Yeah, this one you need an Allen wrench. Okay. Okay, so you want to screw it about halfway right here. You don't want the screw to come out all the way, just about right here. Come to about this right here. Okay, look at that. Don't it's about halfway right here. Just use an Allen wrench to screw this in, and then come to the door, and you see this 2 screw right here. This gonna go in right there, that hole right here, and so this one too go to this hole right here. But you want to start out with the left first, okay? Pop this in, because the left doesn't have the screw. Doesn't have the screw right here on the side right there. It's only the right one. So you pop this in first. Okay, pop this in, and then come to the right side and pop this in, okay? Now you screw this, the screw on the side right here with the Allen wrench all the way, okay? That should hold it from, that should hold the door handles. So that's screwing this all the way in should hold the handle. See, now it's see all the way in now. So this is it now. You can open the freezer now. So because there's 2 parts right here, this part right here, this part made of plastic, so you pull too hard, you're gonna break it. So you need to replace it. So that's how you do it. It's so easy. So next time when your Samsung French door freezer handle is broken, that's how you fix it. Okay? So a lot of time we put a lot of food in the freezer, so it's pretty heavy. When you pull it, you don't take it easy, you're gonna break this part. So I replaced it 2 times already. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.